Hey there, hungry friends! Looking for a super quick and tasty side dish? These garlic flatbreads are the answer. They take just 10 minutes from start to finish. It's true! You can have warm, delicious flatbreads ready to go with your favorite meal. Let's get started. These flatbreads are perfect for dipping in hummus, scooping up flavorful curries, or just enjoying on their own. They are soft, chewy, and bursting with garlicky goodness. You won't believe how easy they are to make. Are you ready to impress your family and friends with your culinary skills? Let's do it! Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, you only need a few simple things that you probably already have in your kitchen. For the flatbreads, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt, also half a cup of plain yogurt. For the garlic oil brushing mixture, you will need 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 cloves of garlic, minced. See? Told you it was simple? Now that we have everything, let's move on to the fun part, making the dough. All right, let's get our hands dirty. Today we're going to make some delicious flatbreads from scratch. It's a simple process, but the results are absolutely worth it. In a large bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt. These are the basic dry ingredients that will form the foundation of our flatbreads. Make sure to mix them well so that the baking powder and salt are evenly distributed throughout the flour. Give it a quick mix with a fork. This step ensures that all the dry ingredients are well incorporated before we add the wet ingredients. Now add the yogurt and stir until it forms a soft dough. The yogurt not only adds moisture, but also gives the flatbreads a nice tangy flavor. Stir until you see no more dry flour. If the dough feels a little dry, you can add a teaspoon of water at a time until it comes together. Be careful not to add too much water at once. You want the dough to be soft, but not sticky. Now lightly flour your countertop and turn the dough out onto it. This will prevent the dough from sticking to the surface as we knead it. Knead it gently for just a minute or two until it's smooth. Kneading helps to develop the gluten in the flour, which gives the flatbreads their structure and chewiness. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions. This will make it easier to roll out and cook each flatbread individually. Roll each portion into a thin circle, about 8 inches in diameter. Try to make them as even as possible so they cook uniformly. And there you have it, your flatbreads are ready to be cooked. Section 4, Garlic Goodness, the finishing touch. This is where we bring everything together to create a mouth-watering masterpiece. While you're rolling out the dough, heat a large skillet or griddle over medium heat. Make sure it's nice and hot before you start cooking. No need to grease it. The dough will cook perfectly on its own. Now let's make that amazing garlic oil mixture. This will be the key to infusing our flatbreads with incredible flavor. In a small bowl, combine the olive oil and minced garlic. Stir it well to ensure the garlic is evenly distributed. That's it, easy peasy. Carefully place 1 flatbread at a time onto the hot skillet. Be gentle to avoid tearing the dough. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until it's golden brown and slightly puffed up. You'll see beautiful brown spots forming. Once it's cooked, remove it from the skillet and brush it generously with the garlic oil mixture. Make sure to cover the entire surface for maximum flavor. Repeat with the remaining flatbreads. Stack them on a plate and get ready to enjoy a delicious garlicky treat that everyone will love. Section 5, enjoy! Serving up your delicious creation. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. After all the effort and love you've put into making these garlic flatbreads, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. And there you have it, a beautiful stack of golden, crispy, and aromatic garlic flatbreads ready to be served. Your very own homemade garlic flatbreads ready to be devoured. The texture is perfect, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. These beauties are best served warm, straight off the skillet. The aroma that fills your kitchen is simply irresistible. You can enjoy them with dips like hummus, which adds a creamy and tangy flavor that complements the garlic perfectly. Or try them with baba ganoush, a smoky eggplant dip, or tzatziki, a refreshing yogurt and cucumber dip. They also make fantastic wraps for grilled chicken or veggies. Just add your favorite fillings and roll them up for a delicious meal. Or simply tear off a piece and enjoy it as is. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're having them as a snack or part of a meal, these flatbreads are sure to satisfy. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and savor every bite of your homemade creation. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your delicious creations. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes. Happy cooking! Stay tuned for more culinary adventures and tips to make your kitchen experience even more enjoyable.